Hello everybody, welcome to Sketches, and today we will be covering how I draw cartoon faces. Now of course, this is in my own art style, so you can make yours. It's just a basic guide for beginners, so it won't cover over everything. Thanks for watching,
Enjoy the video.
and I hope you learned something new. Tools. I use a kneadable rubber, but you can just use any. A highlighter. I'm using a brush marker. A shading pencil or mechanical, good for fine and precise sketching. And a fine tip. I'm using Artezas and I highly recommend them. They are sturdy, solid and precise. So like all character heads, it starts with a circle. Then draw a center line for where the nose will face, the jawline next and ear second. Then a horizontal line for where the eyes will sit. That was a terrible sketch, but you get the idea. I'm tracing over a quick sketch I did before to demonstrate this format. Our first feature to add is the nose. This points us to the direction of the face. I prefer slender eyebrows for this character as he's a bit of a model. Bushy eyebrows exaggerate motion. The mouth is inspired from Steven Universe's mouths as they always look cool to me. The eyes are drawn faintly as a full circle, but wider. Then I add the eyes to the appropriate size that I want them to be. Drawing eyes comes down to practice. It's something you have to learn yourself. In the cartoon style, the pupils are big but with a reflection of light. I then draw a beard on the character, just as this is something that builds up the character itself. You can occasionally rub things out you don't like, and following up with construction lines to clear out the character. Hair is created by going side by side with the line that creates the top of the head. You can shake your pencil to make a hair effect and it looks really cool. Now this is where things really start to get fun. Using a fine liner, you can go over your pencil marks, adjusting and correcting your mistakes from before, polishing up this character's face. You can go over a line twice to double it up, and this will create a heavy line effect for shade. Finish off by using a rubber and cleaning away all the construction lines and pencil marks you left before. As a little finish on top, you can finish up with a highlighter to create the sun effect, as I like to call it. This next one I'm going to speed up, however commentate over it like I did before. Making notes of the character you want to draw helps you a lot if you are struggling what to draw. The most important thing to take away from this is to do it yourself. Go out there and draw whatever you would like, in your own style with your own shapes. This is what sets you apart from others.